Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to give me your opinions about these videos that I'm about to present to you. Alright, so first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons who was inside of a motor vehicle. Now, I got the understanding from the video that those two persons was arguing with each other over a seat that's inside of the motor vehicle. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about this situation. I would like you to tell me what would you do if you go inside of a bus and someone confront you and tell you that you're sitting in a seat that was occupied by the person, or the seat belongs to the person, as well some people might say. What would you do, viewers and subscribers? Alright, now please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Are you crossing?
Are you crossing?
Water.
You take me back off and
you is it?
Lose your seat, Delta. Lose your seat, Delta.
Can't plant one of the bomb class.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
You should do it to you cross, yeah.
You're crossing.
You take up the bag out of the seat.
Fight for see. Young man, you fight for see.
Man, what we saying that's it?
One seat, tell my people.
Pastor, come here.
One seat.
This woman has to put me back on the seat and come coach me over the seat and put this man
over the seat, sir. Me a cuss you over.
When we put this man here, I'm going to take up this man over the seat and put him on the seat. You're too lying.
What's your lie?
Man, you can ask your name. Man, you can ask your name. Put me back. Me come put him back on this. You're not supposed to take it up. You're not supposed to take it up. You're not supposed to take it up. You don't have to take it up. You're not supposed to take it up. You take a different seat. You take a different seat. You're not supposed to take it up. You don't want to take it up. Yes.
I want to see.
Tough mouth harder, man. Go out, you cross.
Yeah, but I chat now, man. I chat to the one guy, one driver.
Yes, where some people face a road, though, my people. You hear where the other person say when he come inside of the bus, or inside of the motor vehicle, I should say. Alright, my people, here we are going still, Zane. Based on what me I hear in the video still, viewers and subscribers, it seems as if one of those persons was wrong. Yes, I mean, I don't really have to point it out, but I think you, my viewers and subscribers, might have an understanding as to who might be in the wrong. Might be in the wrong, I should say. See? So tell me in the comment section who you think was wrong from who you think was right, viewers and subscribers. And I real, me now Dancehall skilla. If me go inside a public transportation motor vehicle and someone say, hey, am I see that I sit down in there, me not have time for you argue with nobody, you know. Me I get up. And am I own, and am I boss, me no own it. Me one seat, me business people and seat. Me I get up, yeah man, take it. See, I'm gonna find another public transportation motor vehicle for take or something. That's why good for have your own motor vehicle too as well too. So me I say, yeah. But anyways, my people, let me know what you think about that situation. I'm going to move on to another video. Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to look at this video carefully. And I would like you to tell me what I think about the situation that I can see in this video. I would like you to tell me if this video shows a musician who some people on social media call Biggs Dan. And some people also call the same person that I'm talking about one Biggs Dan too. See? Now the video had been posted on social media with some words. And I'm going to try and read those words that I saw in the post on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I said try. I'm going to try and read those words. So look and listen with me now, my people. See? Alright, so see the words then when we see in the post right here, so viewers and subscribers. Now please bear in mind that I cannot confirm if these words actually are true about any type of situation. See? But these words have been posted on social media with a video and it's been talked about on social media. I mean, there are the likes and comments and certain things. Alright, so there I was sitting in the car at KFC, PPL, in the drive-thru waiting impatiently when me look a silver Axio enter from the exit, drive out and just want come board the line with even asking Honda Fit PPL them. So the lady got out the car and blocked off Axio with excitement, bracket, which is damn right, bracket. Only if you hear the Axio driver say a badness I do it. Now big, well me nah say that part there, BIGGSDON 2 BBC bright man go drink some humble tea. Now my people, I cannot confirm if those words from the post that I saw on social media are true or accurate. You understand me? But the post or the video that's in the post along with those words are being talked about on social media. So my people, tell me if you see a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Biggs Dan in that video or one Biggs Dan. The video also have words in it that says Biggs Dan 2 hype man, M-O-N, is it? Anyways, on to another topic now, viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a man who was laying on the ground, and at one point the video shows when the man was having some form of difficulty walking. Based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, allegedly it is said that the man was intoxicated. It is believed that the man was drinking alcohol or alcoholic beverage or beverages. See? Now, more you take a look at this video, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think. But before I present this video to you, I want to say these things. Over and over, I say, viewers and subscribers, alcohol can be bad for your health. You understand me? So, as an adult, if you're going to drink responsibly. And you must be of the legal age within your country to drink alcohol. Alright? Anyways, let me know what you think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You see?
Yeah,
You see
man.
cars I roam?
Three of them, Jerry and nephew.
Look what
You
I
can't
want,
walk
people,
with
look what I
3
want.
of them and I'm
And I'm
alone.
alone. Get up. From
Get up.
feet, yo. Where it there?
Rain a come. Go for your bucket of water, wet up in blood clot.
So wrong time.
Go for your bucket of water. Get
In ring.
Get water come. Get water come.
As water mentioned, I didn't tell you.
Archie.
Get up.
Get
Tell
up.
you.
I call that.
This is not even joke.
Get up.
Janu.
Where bucket there?
Make we dog him.
Where bucket there?
That's the way Rum deal with people.
You fucker, yo.
I only hope that they make sure that him basically me on go up say him alright, because That person look like the person that walked steady at that time when the video be recorded. See, the people over and over me say that alcohol can be bad for your health. Yes, me I say, please drink responsibly as an adult. If you're underage, don't get involved in the drinking of alcohol, none at all, my people. Yeah, man, that brother there, no look like him too steady on him 2 feet, them right there, some people. On the ground, the man they there, no. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to give me your opinion about the situation that you can see in this video. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show the scene of a 2 motor vehicle collision. The video is going to show a police service motor vehicle and a taxi from Jamaica. And both motor vehicles had been badly damaged because of a 2 motor vehicle collision. Now, in the video, you can hear at least one person saying certain things about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that I cannot confirm if the things that the person said in the video are accurate. No, because I don't have a lot of confirmed information about the situation, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any information as to exactly how the incident happened. But based on some things that you're about to see in this video, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think. You can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong, and so on. Alright, now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
That's early morning Rastamosa come out. But it look like police and taxi now will know order in the morning, your father. Yeah. Yeah. You might try hold a man and take round the stoplight and running at the man them so. Yes. We back him up because around the saying go. Jaja.
Alright, my people, now, so when it comes down to certain type of situations, me's the kind of person in my life who jump to any conclusions just like that. You see me I say? But let me say certain things. You see me I say? First of all, I ask you one question. Do you recognize where that video be recorded, viewers and subscribers? And which of those motor vehicles that somehow collided with each other was positioned in the right direction as to how motor vehicles are supposed to travel on that road where the video be recorded? See? I also wonder what was the driver for the police service motor vehicle was doing, and what was the driver for the taxi was doing, viewers and subscribers. You see? All them things that I think about. So I say, now, me hear at least 2 persons are saying certain things in the background of the video, viewers and subscribers. So with all of those things, when me hearing at the video and seeing at the video, I think it is not a good thing to just jump to any conclusion. You understand me? Because I don't have any confirmed information about the whole situation. But I just say certain things, and I hope that the things that I want to say might give you certain things to think about when it comes down to that situation. Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, so let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.